Since 1927, Prestone has been a trusted and reliable partner in car maintenance, providing protection, safety, and assurance in every journey. And as time moves forward, Prestone advances to provide trusted engine protection and performance. Introducing the new groundbreaking product of Prestone, Prestone Motor Oil. Engineered to exceed current market standards, Prestone Motor Oil provides advanced engine protection that is API certified, turbo tested, and made in an ISO certified plant in Singapore. Prestone Motor Oil has two product lines. The G-Tech series, made specially for gasoline engine. G-Tech Advance, for mineral-based oil. G-Tech Synblend, for semi-synthetic oil. And G-Tech Full Synthetic, for fully synthetic oil. The D-Tech series, specially blended for diesel engines. D-Tech 500 Synblend, for semi-synthetic oil. And D-Tech 500 Full Synthetic, for fully synthetic oil. Prestone Motor Oil has exceptional lubricant technology that helps protect the engine from erosion and high temperature, while keeping it clean and improving fuel efficiency to prolong engine life and enhance engine performance, so you can drive smoothly for miles ahead without a problem. Prestone is trusted by 8 out of 10 motorists and world-renowned brands in both auto manufacturing and service brands. Because a heritage brand is a brand that you can trust. Use Prestone Motor Oil. Dahil ang tiwalang Prestone, nasa motor oil na!